Come along and sing with me, an ABC adventure from A to Z. Letters, sounds, and lots of fun. Let's start now. 3, 2, 1. A is for apple.